Hello, my champions. Today we're making the best grilled cheese sandwich ever. And we're using Jimmy Dean regular sausage, American cheese, Colby cheese, a little butter, and we're going to use real mayonnaise. What you want to do is this. All right, don't forget your bread, guys. You're going to definitely need bread for this. And what we want to do is put some meal on our bread, and we're going to toast it. Okay. Put that down in the skillet. This is going to be a special grilled cheese with sausage and eggs. Okay, we're going to let that toast and I'll be right back. All right, your grilled cheese bread should be looking something like that, guys. Patty out your sausage, and then we're going to cook our sausage for our grilled cheese. Okay, we're going to let this cook, and we'll be right back. All right, you see how those juices have begun to come up in that sausage? It's time to flip that sausage over. Look at that. And we're going to keep that in there for about 3-4 minutes. And we're going to take it off and put it onto our bread with our cheese. All right, it's cooked on both sides. It's done in the middle. You want to go in with your American slice. Okay, it's little steps you want to take with this to make your grilled cheese sandwich awesome. We're going to go back in with our bread. Grilled cheese, just like I have it. Turn your bread back over. Put that American slice on there. This is like an ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. And we're going to add egg to this. So I'm going to take it back out. I'm going to set it aside. And I'm going to put some butter in the skillet and make this egg. Butter. And we're just going to put the eggs just like that. Take it and go around that egg with that butter. If you choose to put salt and pepper, now this is the chance to do it. All right, a little salt. I'm gonna flip this over, just like that. If you want this hard and you don't want that yolk in that egg, you bust it. And I'll show you a video on how to do that next. Turn that heat off, and we're gonna put this hot egg onto our cheese. That's our cheese there. And voila, guys, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna cut that in half and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. All right, listen to that. You wanna go into it. And voila, guys, look at that. Look what we got. Delicious grilled cheese sausage and egg sandwich. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? You guys have an amazing day. Hope you try this out. It's absolutely delicious for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Everyone have an awesome day. Voila! Bye-bye.